today's adventure, we have to board a ferry to go get the geocaches. We're out of the car, we're on the trail. Our first geocache is a Washington geotour cache that our friends are after. They're trying to get the entire geotour. We're just along for the fun and to get a cache in this county, because that's what we're after right now, is county caching. There's a stump. Ground level.
There's a hole.
There's a hole.
There's a stick and a rock.
And a rock.
Which usually mean
there's a geocache.
there's a cache.
Swing!
Hey.
There's a code on the lid
There.
that you need for this geotour, but we can't show you.
Sorry. Have to come and find it.
Yeah, there you go. You gotta get it yourself. What's in there? Anything good? Log sheet. Oh, there's a trackable.
Trackable.
Mm-hmm.
There's the log sheet.
Okay.
You.
There you go.
And I love that. I like checking out.
You like
swag
the
too.
swag to see what's in there?
I don't know. It's just like a little.
Yeah, little toys, some balloons. Always a good dinosaur. It's always nice to have a dinosaur.
I don't
Nice.
know about the balloon blowing up thing. but-
Yeah.
And
Put your lips on that.
a sticker. Yeah.
With the first cache found, we've got one for the county. Now everything else is just a bonus. So there's another geocache down this trail. So we're going to go get it as well, rather than leaving it unfound.
Oh, Arbutus.
Oh, that was nice. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and look at the tree. That's really cool.
Gorgeous.
Wow. Neat.
Now I know what a madrona tree is.
That's a what?
Madrona.
Madrona. A madrona tree, and then BC they call it arbutus?
Arbutus.
Arbutus. Cool.
Yeah, they're nice. My dad, that was the big.
Are they?
2 down? How many more to go?
Sort of a evergreen filler.
Is it down there? See that little piece of bark there? Yeah, you can see it. It's got that telltale sign you can see from a distance.
Ha!
Yeah.
Found it.
Nice. Yeah, nice one. There we go. We're on top of Mount Constitution here on Orcas Island for a virtual, and it's a 4-5 virtual. That's right, you heard that right. A 4 difficulty, 5 terrain virtual. And the reason why it's so high is that there are 4 waypoints besides the posted coordinates, and you have to collect information from all 4. Luckily for us, the roadway up comes close to most of those locations, so we don't have to hike the entire thing, which is suggested, but that's not going to happen on this video. Besides counting the stairs, which is the question you need to answer for stage 4. Are you done? Besides counting the stairs for stage 4, the view... Oh. The view is spectacular from up here, and we're really glad we came and counted the stairs on our way up, which is what we need to know for this stage of the virtual. Ooh, nice. Ammo box.
Love an animal.
Sweet. So stage 3 of the virtual, you have to answer A, B, C, or D based on what you see when you're there. The waypoint was only 239 meters from the vehicle, a straight line. But if you look at the map for the trail, it's probably twice that far, if not more. So we just walk through the forest, enjoy the scenery, and of course the waterfalls. And they're all giving us a real sight. And with terrain like this, we're certainly not going to bushwhack straight line. It's pretty up and down. It's best to take the trail for sure. At ground zero for stage 3, we can't tell you what's just over our shoulder. You got to come here and find it for yourself. Well, we got the number we needed. We got all 4 stages plus the posted coordinates. This virtual is completed, and it's a 4-5. Here, oh, we got to go down? Oh, my. Down under. Down under the dock.
Oh, your chicken custard makes you happy, too.
Whoa. Ugh. See if I can do this without wiping out. Is it there? Oh. No, that's a piece of wood. That's a rock. No. Ouch. The beams are hard. What about that? That looks like it could be suspect. That would be it, huh? Yeah, I'd say. Well, maybe. Oh, yeah, no, that's it. Cash found.
Where was it?
It was right at the very end.
Just down there.
Just in, yeah.
Nice.
Let me loan you my Cash Canada pen.
I've got my own Cash Canada pen.
Another cache found.
Another.
Yeah, we just can't get it right.
I don't know what to say.
That's okay. Thanks for joining us today on our expedition on Orcas Island.
Well, let me have a chance to say something.
Okay, say something.
It was a lot of fun.
Okay.
Keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching... And then a truck comes by. Oh! All right, take 2.
Keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?